Do you want to make money online? Today, I'll show you how to use Canva to create and sell digital products on Etsy. It's very easy and you don't need any design skills, so let's get started. So first, what is Canva? Canva is a free and beginner-friendly design tool. You can create graphics, templates, and digital products. It has thousands of templates for business cards, planners, invitations, and social media posts. Canva is also both a free version and a pro version. So the free version is great, but Canva Pro unlocks many features like extra templates, fonts, and a lot of features. So here, when you open Canva, you will see a search bar, this one. So you can type in anything that you want to design, like planner, logo, and Canva. So it depends on you. So Canva will show you a ready-made templates. So you just have to click any of these designs and you can start customizing. So now, what can you sell on Etsy? So Etsy is a great place to sell digital products. So digital products are files that customers download after purchase. So that means there is no shipping, there's no inventory, and there is a passive income. So popular digital products include number one, printable planners and to-do lists. We have also this wedding invitations and business cards, social media templates for Instagram and Pinterest. There's also printable wall art and posters, resume templates and ebooks, business logo templates, digital stickers for journaling apps, vision board templates, digital recipe books, and lastly is custom fonts and illustrations. So one thing for sure is you can create all of these in Canva app or Canva website, and then you can then later on sell them on Etsy. So now let's create your first product. So first, let's make a simple planner to sell. So first you just have to go to Canva, so just search for canva.com or go to your Canva application. This works also for mobile device. So in Canva, once you're in here, you just have to search for planner template. And as you can see in here, there's a lot of designs that you can pick to or can pick from. So just pick the design that you want to customize. So let's say, for example, this one right here. Now you can change the colors to match a theme. You can also add a title like daily planner or weekly goals. You can also use easy to read fonts. You can see all these in here. And just to make sure that there's enough space for people to write, since this is a planner. Now you can also add your own branding, like a small logo or watermark, rather. And then you can also create multiple versions such as dark mode planner or pastel version. So you just have to customize everything in here. Depends on you, or you can extend your creativeness and do a lot of things in Canva. So that's it. And once you're done with the editing, you just have to download it in high quality PDF and then just wait for it to be downloaded. Now, with Canva Pro, you can resize your design for different products. So for example, a planner can be turned into a journal or a to-do list. So it gives you more products to sell on Etsy. So you can also save your design with a transparent background, which is very useful for making the digital stickers or printable overlays. Now, to set up your Etsy shop. So actually, guys, I don't have a seller Etsy account. So I'll just tell you everything, like all the process to sign up. So first is open your Etsy shop, go to etsy.com, and then just click on sell on Etsy. And then follow all these steps that I'm gonna tell you. So first is to create an Etsy account. Pick a shop name, like something unique and easy to remember. And then after that, just upload your planner as a digital product. And then write a clear product description and use keywords to customize to customers that can find it. And then after that, just set the price. Most digital products or planners sell for $5 to $15. So you just have to add a attractive mockups. Use Canva to place your planner on a tablet or the background to make it look professional. So set up automated replies for your customers' questions and also thank you messages. And after that, your shop is ready. Your shop is now live. So to get more sales, you need to promote your products. So the best free marketing tool are Pinterest and Instagram. So for Pinterest, you just have to go to Pinterest and post eye-catching pins with your product. So use keywords like printable planner to attract buyers. You can also try creating multiple pins for the same product to test which one performs best. And for Instagram, you can share your posts and stories about your design. You can use hashtags like printable planner and Etsy shop. You can also engage with similar accounts by liking and commenting to get noticed. And for TikTok, you can post short videos showing how your product can be used. For YouTube, you can create a tutorial on how to use a planner or templates. Now you can also run Etsy ads. So set a small budget like $1 a day to get more views. So if you get good results, and it will slowly increase your budget. And it will also make your shop be noticed by a lot of people. So here are tips to make more sales. So first is use Canva Pro. This is very important. So better fonts and templates make your design stand out. So you can also create multiple products. You can sell matching items like planners and to-do list bundle. Third is get customer reviews. Ask happy buyers to leave a review because more review is equals to more trust. And fourth is update your listings. Refresh product descriptions and add new designs regularly. You can also offer freebies. You can give away a small template or in exchange for email signups to build a customer base. Sixth is to use SEO keywords. So in your Etsy listing, include keywords people are searching for like printable planners for moms or minimalist weekly planner. Now you can also bundle products. So instead of selling one planner for $5, you can sell a pack of 5 planners for $15 to increase your profit. And lastly is you can create a seasonal products. You can have the holiday themed planner, back to school templates, or New Year goal setting worksheets that sell well. And that's all the tips I have for you guys. You can start them using today or whenever you want, whenever you're ready, you can start selling on Etsy and make passive income. You just have to be creative and don't be afraid of making mistakes because that's part of the process. And that's it. Now you know how to make money with Canva on Etsy. You can start today and grow your online business. And make sure to don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you found this helpful. See you next time. Bye.